Hey everyone, welcome to Propwash Rant. In this video, we got all the guys together and we're going camping at
Negrito Airstrip in New Mexico at 8,100 feet elevation.
You mind leaning a little bit?
Yeah, I'm going to try and beat that 206. You hear that? We're going to get off before the 206 does. Yeah. And then my life will be complete. I don't think we're going to beat him. He's off before the bars. Nope, he's still on. Yeah, there's no way. There's no way.
Hug the end.
Sapper traffic, 5-9er Mike, departing runway 26, behind the other Cessna. Sapper. Oh, we got this.
Oh, I think we feel about the same as he did.
I was trying to force it.
Traffic, Skyhawk 912 Lima Bravo, departing runway 26, behind the other Cessna.
Yeah, right there. I'm climbing at VX, so we ought to catch him. We've darn near caught him. And I'm cutting the corner. But our temperature is not going to allow us to do this.
Do another circle.
No, we're actually, we're probably only 200 or 300 feet below you and half mile behind you.
You want to go to the left of this mountain right here in front of us, or are you going to go right over it?
I'm to the left of it, but just barely.
Parker's going to fly 3 times as far as the rest of us.
He absolutely has. How far behind me are you, Josh?
I'd say 3 miles. What's your altimeter?
3 miles?
I'm going to slow down. I'm going to let you get in front of me, and if you want to creep up on my right side.
Sounds good.
See him yet?
Nope. Oh, I see him.
How far back there is he?
He's coming. He's a little higher than we are.
Hold that course. Don't turn right.
Hey, Roger.
Oh, he just passed us by.
going to catch him. Who, Parker or Josh? Josh, we're never going to catch Parker. I think we are like dead even. Josh is 180 horse, 172, and our 175 horse. They're just like neck and neck.
All right, Parker, I'm coming up on your right side.
Got to be down over here somewhere.
Maybe a mile, a little less. I got you in sight.
I lost Parker. He's straight off the Jordan. Josh. Wow, you struggle. Oh, I see him now. All right. Oh, he's way out there. Yeah, he's a couple miles.
Hey, I just hit 140 knots finally. Hey, Parker, were you able to see the windsock at all? Yeah, it looks like it's blowing almost directly south, so we're going to have to land on the long runway heading north. I don't know the runway's here, but yeah, it'll be 3-5. The new track that we need to land, that we need to avoid is at the north end of the runway, right? Correct, it's north of the junction. Okay, we're good then.
So where is it? All right, it's right beneath us. This is it right here.
We're out for left traffic? Yeah, I'm just starting a crosswind now. Yeah, I'm not too far behind you. Hey, when you land, if you just take it up to the cross runway and pull on there, then that'll be out of the way. I'll do the same thing for Jordan, and then we can all turn around and taxi back. Sounds good.
So he said something about 2-track. Yeah, that goes across. But it's all the way at the very end. So we just need to get down and get stopped before the cross runway, which is like 5,000 feet.
Hey, Jordan, let us know when you're on the ground.
It's going to happen in about 15 seconds.
Hey, Parker, you're probably good to turn around there. Jordan, let me know when you've slowed down.
I mean, yeah, we're slowed down. We're like a quarter mile behind you.
It did! Woo! Hello, GoPro.
We could not catch you for nothing. I was climbing out, so I pull the prop back, pull the power back, and my car was able to start doing turns here. You doing the S turns, we were like dead match.
Yeah.
Like we were like basically how far away you were when you started doing the S turns, that's how far away you stayed.
Alright.
I just started this side right here.
He's cheating.
I didn't get you very much because I didn't know if you.
And I slam on my brakes, and Brandon I mean, he sees it at the same time. He slams on his brakes, and here's the edge, and he goes, he teeters. And so I stop, and I'm getting off to go grab it, and he goes, off he went, and before it hits.
So we're getting packed up and ready to leave.
It's just a little bit chilly right now. Just a little bit. But we want that. We want to get out while it's still chilly, or we won't be able to get out. It's warming up quick. We gotta get out of here.
Take a picture of it. I should have washed these windows. Alright, we got any temperature yet? Not really, but we got oil pressure. Got oil pressure, we got cylinders coming up. Oh yeah, turn this bloody thing on. If you just open the... Okay, now do you guys hear me? Yeah, I got you.
So if you guys aren't off the ground by the point where this 2-track is, where I'm at right now, not the other 2-track, I walked it this morning. It looks like if you just stay in the 2-track, that's the best. If you get either side, there's ruts that are kind of in the grass. We should be off well before that, though. Hopefully we'll be in ground effect by that point. And I figure you can catch up. I'll get off the ground, and then you guys can catch up.
Sounds good. Dust is hanging there pretty good. That means there's not a lot of wind. Waiting to see a plane pop up over that hill. Yeah. I just saw you come up over the hill now. All right.
Now, I was off the ground right about where camp was. I stayed low to build up speed.
All right, I'm rolling. Come on, girl. Is that all of it? Yeah, that's all of it. We got this. Give it a few more. Nah, she's ready to fly. All right, Parker, we're up.
I think the only way I'm climbing is because this ground is dropping.
We're making 250 feet a minute.
Yeah, I'm bouncing between 0 and 200. Man, this is a pretty country. Yeah, I made it off right at the intersection. And stay on the east side. There's a lake down here.
Alright, I see the lake. Is the lake off to your left side?
Yeah, directly off my left.
Alright, then I'm not that far behind you, I just don't see you.
He's kind of to your left there, Jordan. I've got him in sight. Now he's turning, kind of heading back to center up with you.
Alright, I just spotted him in the turn. How far behind us are you, Parker, or are you already there?
I'm not far. I got 10 degrees of flaps, got power pull, and then I'm doing S-turn. Jordan, you want me to come up and pass you on your left?
Actually, if you pass me on the right, it'd be better for the camera.
Okay, I'm off your right wing right now anyway, so I'll be passing you shortly. All right, Jordan, you see me?
Yeah, we got you.
I just threw in 10 degrees. I'll slow down more.
Alright, I can tell you Parker's going to get to you a lot sooner than I am.
Yeah, I figured. Alright, Josh, I got you inside. I'm on your left.
There he is. He is heading over to him.
Oh, yeah, he's way over there. I see him now.
Alright, I just spotted you, Josh. I got you and Parker in sight, but you're still a good ways ahead of me.
So just listen to the weather. It's 10 knots at 340. So there's a dirt runway that's 350. That's probably going to be our best option. Coming up on your left, Josh. Gotcha.
You can speed up now if you want, Josh. I'm just off your left. I'm going to form up with you, and then we can go form up with Parker.
Parker, if you just hold that speed, I think we can catch up and then meet up with you. I'm coming up on your right side.
I'm coming up on your left, Parker.
All right, I'll just hold this speed and this heading.
Josh, your wing's too high. Too low.
I think you just called me Josh.
I might have.
Can I just say, this is freaking awesome. Doesn't get much better than this.
Yeah, we could start. I think that's probably good. We could break off, switch to CTAF, and set up for our landings.
Silver City traffic, Skyhawk 912, Lima Bravo is a flight of 3, inbound for left traffic on runway 34, Silver City. Grand County, Skyhawk 912, Lima Bravo, turn final, runway 30, got the commuter in sight, Grand County. Ooh, this runway is rough.
Should we break off and land on the paved one?
Yeah, that might be better. This thing's rough. All right, I'm gonna break off and.
Yeah, we can make the base. This is Grant County. Traffic 5900 Mike is on left base for runway 26, Grant County.
Grant County traffic Cessna 3485. Lima is directly over midfield. Going to enter a left downwind for runway 26 as well.
Grant County traffic, 5900 Mike's on final, runway 26, Grant County. That's a good crosswind.
So do you tell Parker or just let him figure it out?
So where's that? Over there, I think. Grant County traffic, 5900 Mike's clear of all runways at Alpha, and that was a pretty good wind, crosswind there, Parker.
So we're here at Grant County. We're about to get in our other plane now to fly back to Propwash. No, just kidding. We're getting gas.
We're here to get showered up so we don't stink.
We are stinking.
Ronan! Come see me.
What?
Is that plane?
Dad!
You wanna go see your dad?
Yeah.
What'd you get on your arms?
Plane!
Where's your dad?
Plane!
You see your dad over there?
Look! Plane!
Ronan! What did you do?
Plane! Why? Plane! So we just went and saw our new cousin, and now we're headed back home.
Alright. Don't like it, so you're not heavy. I'm not worried about weight.
So you want me to be floating in the air?
All right. Just finished a run up here at Whiskey Creek, and we're fixing to take off with a 20-knot crosswind. You good? You got your seatbelt on? Is it loud? All right, let go, and keep your feet clear. Whiskey Creek traffic, Cessna 59 mark, departing runway 17 for a westbound departure. Whiskey Creek. You want to fly for a minute? Sure. It's all yours. Whoa. Are you flying off of that? Is that what you're doing? Just watch. Can you not see outside? Barely. Alright, let's get down on the ground. My plane.
We just made it back. We just got the plane tied down. Everybody made it back safe. We're the last ones to get back.
Hope you enjoyed that video. And
Like, subscribe. See you next time on Propwash.
Thanks for watching Propwash Ranch.
Hope you all have a good day.
Propwash Ranch. And in this video, we got all the guys together and we're going camping at Negrito. I can't remember. But no! Oh, my legs hurt. I don't know how to get down! Can you help? I'm the only one that was able to maintain.
You should put this on the bloopers.
How am I doing on speed for you guys?
Completely leaving us in the dust.
Alright, I'm going to do some S-turns then. I got it pulled way back, so I'll do a few S-turns. Look, we don't need your judgy comments.
That's all I was gonna say.
Thanks for watching Propwash Ranch.
Hope you all have a good day.